Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So again, we will be starting from basics, okay? Algebraic expressions. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Now suppose I am writing here -2, -3. Can you tell me what will be its value?
-5.
Okay. Now if I am writing -3 plus 5, then
+2.
+2. Good. Now if I am writing -2 into -1, then
2.
2. Good. -2 into 3.
-6.
-6. Okay. So you are very, very clear about all this. Okay. If I am writing -2x plus 5x, then
Sir, sir, 3x.
3x. Good. Minus 5x minus 10x.
-15x.
Good. -2x into -7x.
14x.
14x. See, when we are multiplying x and x, then it will be x square. Okay, x into x कितना होता है?
Okay, sir.
x square, because their exponents add up. बाकी सब तो ठीक है, same है, but multiplication like 2 into 2 is how much? 4, isn't it? 2 square. Similarly, x into x, like if you have multiplied 2 and 7, you got 14. Similarly, x will be multiplied with x, so x into x is x square. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I am writing -4y into 3x.
Sir, they are uneven.
Huh?
Sir, they cannot be multiplied.
They
So
can be
because they
multiplied. They can't be added or subtracted. Multiply कर सकते हैं, divide भी
yes,
कर
sir,
सकते
sir,
हैं.
I'm thinking.
Okay. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे?
No,
देखो, 4 3,
-12. Sir,
-12,
-12
and
yx.
then you can write y into x, or you can write -12 x into y, or you can write -12 yx, or you can write -12 xy. These all mean that x is multiplied with y, or either you multiply 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Both are same only, na?
Yes, sir.
So is that clear? So x into x को क्या लिखा हमने? x square. Similarly, y into x will be xy or yx. Anything can be written. और ये सब तो तुम्हारा बिल्कुल क्लियर है, माइनस और प्लस का. इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है ना तुम्हें?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Now suppose I am writing 10y into 20y. Okay, let it be y only. Then the answer will be
Sir, sir, 200 y.
200
Y.
y or y
Y
square.
square. Y square. Y
Just
square.
now we discussed, isn't it? So please remember whatever I'm telling. Think carefully, okay? Now if I am writing -20, suppose x, into 10y, then what can be the answer?
Sir, minus minus 200 x.
Okay, that's
xy.
good. -200 xy. Okay, good.
Good evening,
This can
sir.
also be written as, okay. yx. अभिजीत, थोड़ा हम बेसिक्स कर रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Or we can write x into y, or we can write minus 200 y into x. All are same. Okay. So this much is understood,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Okay. If I am writing 20xy into minus 10x, then what can be written?
Sir, 200 x y square.
Now why 200? Why not minus
Sir, minus
200?
200.
तो
Sir,
ये
minus
सब
200.
क्यों होता है ये मिस्टेक्स? अगर एक्स बाई एक्स लगा दिया तो ये रूल्स थोड़ी चेंज होंगे. दीज रूल्स विल नेवर चेंज. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. नर्वस नहीं होना इसमें. जो हम पहले से कर रहे हैं पहले उतना तो आना चाहिए ना. तो
Sir, I
इसका मतलब ये
forgot.
नहीं है कि इसको भी भूल जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो हमारा सारा मेहनत पूरा पानी में चले जाता है. नाउ 20 इंटू माइनस 10 इज माइनस 200. इतना तो कम से कम लिखना है ना. उसके बाद भले ही गलत हो जाए बट पहले हाफ जो पढ़ा है वो तो आए. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट कैन बी रिटन?
Sir, x y square.
एक्स वाई स्क्वायर. आर देयर टू वाइज?
Sir,
वाई स्क्वायर क्यों लिखेंगे? दो वाई है वहां पर.
no, sir.
You told me x y square. Do you think that it should be x y square? Y square means what? Y into y. Are there two y's here? Here and here. एक ही y है ना.
Yes, sir.
x दो है. तो x दो है तो we will write x square. Y we will write y square. And there's only one y, so here will be one y. And minus
Sir,
200.
we can write like
That out.
this.
हाँ ऐसे ही लिखना है. We have to write like this only. If you are writing y square, that means y into y. But we are not multiplying y with y. We are multiplying x with x. That's why x square is to be written. And y will be only once. There will be no power square or cube. Is that understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Minus 10 ab into 12b. इसका सोचो.
Sir, minus 120
Okay, that's right. हाँ.
a then sir, on b square. Sir,
Good.
there is one a.
That's right. Because there are two b's, isn't it? Okay. Minus 10 AB into 12 AB. इसको क्या लिखेंगे?
Minus 120 ab square.
AB square. Is there only one A?
Sir,
एक
sir,
A है या
there
दो
is
A है?
two. Sir,
Two A.
two.
Then why not A square? Why A?
Sir, it will be a square then b square.
Simple common sense. If there are two A's, we have to write A square. If there are two B's, we have to write B square. So this is the answer. Okay.
Sir, we can write like this.
You can write only like this. There is no other
Sir, I
option.
thought we cannot.
That's why I'm telling you. If there are two A's, otherwise your answer will be wrong. If there are two A's, how can we show here two A's? We have to show that, na? That yes, this means what? This means minus 20 into A into B into B. And that only we are doing here. This is what? A into B. And then here also A into B. And then minus 10 into, and here also 12 into. So this is equivalent to this. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I am writing minus of minus 2, what can be written here?
Sir, plus 2.
Okay, that's right. If I am writing minus of 2,
Sir, minus 2.
minus 2. Okay. Now, if I am writing minus 2x plus 5x, and here I am writing minus 2x equal to, now what will be written here?
Sir, 3x.
Why 3x? What we have to do first, we have to remove the bracket. So this will be as it is. Simple logic I have already told 1,000 times. That we have to first do the bracket one, then only other things are calculated. So first we will write minus 2x as it is. Okay. And then
Okay, sir.
here there is nothing. That means there is multiplication sign.
Multiply.
So 5x into minus 2x. Okay, because there is no plus minus here. There is one, there is nothing, means there is multiplication. So the sign will remain same. Okay. Plus 5x into minus 2x, isn't it? Equal to.
Yes, sir.
Now minus 2x will be remaining that only because according to the BODMAS rule, we have to multiply first, then only addition and subtraction comes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what are to be multiplied? This 5x along with the sign is also taken whenever there is multiplication, is multiplied with minus 2x. So if we multiply 5x into minus 2x, what should be its answer?
Sir, minus 10x.
Minus 10x or x square?
X square.
Then again you are telling x only. So many examples we have done. X square. So that only is to be written here. Now we can't do anything with this. This will remain as it is because this is x and this is x square. We can't add them or subtract them, but we can multiply them. But there is no multiplication sign here. So we will keep it as it is. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Only in multiplication case we are multiplying x and x and x and y like that. But in addition or subtraction, we see if there are like terms, they are not like. If it is minus 2x minus 3x, then we can write minus 5x. Okay. If it is here multiplication, then we can write 6x square. But here there is simple addition and subtraction. And this is x and this is x square. They are different. So we can't do anything with that. We will leave there only. Is that understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us do the next one. Suppose I am writing here minus 2x minus 3x plus 10x. Solve this one, both of you, Abhijit also and Jagrit also.
Done, sir.
Check it again.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, Jagrit, what's your answer?
Sir, 6x square plus 10x.
Plus 10x. And Abhijit, तुम्हारा आंसर क्या है? Abhijit,
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 14x square.
equal to. First, we will write 2x into minus 3x. Is that clear, Jagrit?
Yes, sir.
And then again, this is to be repeated because that is This is common for both the terms, now. Now, as we have written first in first part minus 2x into minus 3x, now we will again write minus 2x into 10x. Or you can write plus 10x also, both are same, isn't it? Equal to. Now this minus 2x into minus 3x, what will it be?
6x square.
Very good. And then minus 2x into 10x, what will it be? Minus 2x into 10x. This we have done, ना? बताओ सोच के इसको क्या
Yes,
लिखेंगे?
sir.
हाँ, what
Sir,
can be written here?
minus
minus 20 होगा ना, 10 to the
20x
20. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो फिर? एंड x का क्या होगा?
x square.
x स्क्वायर, तो इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो? minus 20 x square.
Sir,
Now
I
these are
was
like
speaking,
terms.
but
Okay, no problem. देखो ये भी x स्क्वायर वाला है, ये भी x स्क्वायर वाला है. So here we can compare or we can take x square as common, और directly तुम 6 minus 20 कितना होता है? 6 minus 20 equal to how much?
minus 14 x
Minus
square.
14. So minus 14 x square is directly written here. That's all. So इसको practice करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Same type of questions. And there's other method also. I told you what? Minus 2x into minus 3x plus 10x. So this can also be written as minus 2x or bracket में 10x or minus 3x है. So what can be written for this minus 3x plus 10x is how much? 7x. Because 10 minus 3 7 होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now what can be written? Minus 2x into 7x. 7 2s are 14. Minus sign is there and x square is there. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. There are many methods, but you have to think which one is better for you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Two x into minus 4y plus 3x. Now solve this one.
Done, sir.
Jagrit, still doing?
Done, sir.
Okay, Jagrit, बताओ answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 8xy plus 6x square. Yes, no, sir, 8xy.
8xy. Abhijit, have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Jagrit, have you done it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now suppose I am writing here minus sign. Now calculate again.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Jagrit, done?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
Sir, 8xy minus 6x square.
Okay, good. Minus 40x plus 10 plus 20. Now try this one.
Me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, here also we will multiply to open the bracket.
yes, of course.
Okay, sir. Sir,
You
done.
know that first we have to do the smallest bracket. Then we have to
Yes,
remove from curly bracket and then from the big bracket, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
This is little bit difficult, but you have to try the difficult ones also.
Okay. Sir, done. Okay.
ओके अभिजीत, 2 मिनट और रुक जाओ आप. उसको करने दो अभी जागृत को.
Sir, it's me, Jagrit.
Jagrit, you have done.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was
Okay, tell
saying.
me what's your answer, Jagrit.
Sir, minus 40x plus 200.
Minus 40x plus 200. Is that your answer?
Yes, sir.
Abhijit?
Sir,
Sir,
done.
200.
Sir,
Sir,
done.
200. Sir,
200.
200.
जागृत एक बार फिर से बोलो.
Sir, I'm saying minus 40x plus 200.
Okay, 200. This is your answer. Okay. अभिजीत बताओ.
Sir, plus 40x plus 12.
Plus 10, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लो अपने आंसर्स फिर से दोनों लोग.
I think the same answer only.
Both of you checked?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, now first of all we have to do this one, isn't it? जब ये ब्रैकेट से बाहर आएगा तो जागृत बताओ क्या लिखेंगे.
Sir, what will come out of bracket?
हाँ, what will come out of the bracket?
Sir, 10
10.
will come
40x
out
को
of
बाहर
the
नहीं
bracket.
निकालोगे ब्रैकेट से?
Sir, निकालूंगा.
तो फिर उसका साइन क्या रहेगा?
Sir, minus 40.
y माइनस. कितनी बार किया ना, बाहर माइनस है तो इसका उल्टा हो जाता है. फिर सेम वहीं पहुंच गए तुम. whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, अंदर वाले के साइंस उल्टे हो जाते हैं. कितनी बार किया हमने ऐसा क्वेश्चन? इसके पहले जब मैंने पूछा माइनस ऑफ -2, इसको क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग?
Sir, 2.
2. Then why not here? If we are writing here 2, will the rules change here? इधर भी तो स्मॉल ब्रैकेट है ना और यहाँ माइनस बाहर है. Then why not this becomes plus? इसमें क्यों डाउट हो रहा है तुम्हें?
Sir, because there is minus, sir, outside the bracket. The
This
biggest
we
bracket.
have to first solve this one, na? We don't have to see here. First, we have to solve the smallest bracket. So when we are bringing this out, this one and this one, then only these two are considered. So if there is a minus 40x, if it comes out, it will be plus 40x, na? And similarly, when plus 10 comes out, it will be minus 10. The signs will be ulta, na? What it is now.
Yes, sir.
And this plus 20 will remain same because this minus is only for this whole bracket. और ये तो अलग लिखा है ना, दिस इज नॉट विद दिस माइनस, इसको कोई रिलेशन इससे नहीं है. इज दैट अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
So this is plus 20 and like this. Now we have to remove this curly bracket. Curly bracket के बाहर में क्या साइन है?
Yes, sir, minus. Sir,
Minus. So all the signs will be opposite of what it is now. यानी कि ये तो
Yes.
अभी ऐसे ही रहेगा. अभी हम लोग इस कर्ली ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 40x अगर बाहर आएगा इट विल बी माइनस 40x. -10 बाहर आएगा इट विल प्लस 10. 20 बाहर आएगा इट विल -20. Now again what can be written, Jagrit?
sir, 40x plus.
40x plus.
Yes, sir.
40x के बाद क्या लिखेंगे? प्लस.
Sir, minus.
Sir,
तो अभी प्लस क्यों बोला? -10 and then
Sir, plus 20.
+20 इक्वल टू 40x को तो हम नहीं कर सकते प्लस -10 के, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट लाइक टर्म. -10 + 20 कितना होता है?
Sir, plus 10.
+10. So we will be writing here +10. तो ये हुआ ना आंसर. मींस अभिजीत इज राइट. समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
So in the last class I told you to share the screenshot of the homework. Has anyone shared in the group?
Yes, sir, I
Sir,
have
I
sent
was-
it to you.
In the group.
sir, I was not able.
Jagrit,
Sir,
have
I
you
was
shared in the
not
group?
able to send.
No, sir, I sent it to you. Sir,
Why
from my mother's.
not in the group? You have to send in the group now because I check the groups. If you are sending me individually, then that is a big tension for me. and the others will also be benefited in the group. Na, the others can also see that. Then why not to share in the
Sir,
group?
Okay, sir, I will send it to you.
Now again the same thing, homework. Minus 20a. We can write x also, it can be b also, but the rules will be same. I give you just 3 to 4 questions, that also you are not able to share in time. I don't know why. उसको गलत होने दो, गलत होने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You will be doing it again and again. गलत होने से कोई इश्यू नहीं है. But what mistake you are doing, that I have to see ना from my end. अगर अभी शेयर करोगे, I can mark it that यहाँ पे गलत है. Then you have to retry. अगर फिर से गलत होगा, then again I will tell you to retry. ऐसे ही retry करना पड़ेगा 10 बार. If you are not able to solve it.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Now take a screenshot of this and share it in the group also so that I can see what homework I have given. Understood? ठीक है जागृत, अभी बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट है तुम में, बट कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इन दिस वे ओनली. ये इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन है और थोड़ा हार्ड लेसन है, देयर इज नो डाउट इन दैट, बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर देन दैट्स ऑल. अगर हार्ड चैप्टर है तो हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करनी है ना. दैट इज ओनली द सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
ओके, शेयर मी द
Okay,
पिक आल्सो
sir.
ऑन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. टेक अ
Sir, I
स्क्रीनशॉट.
send it to you. Sir, I send it to you.
ओके, आई विल एंड अप.
Okay, sir. Bye.